763. Let's fucking go. All right, so in the art tools used by ArtGirl, we have renamed this from Dil Warp to Dil Warp 9, and then this right here has been renamed to Dil Warp to Dil Warp 9, and then down here we have some basic math. We're just going to warp the coordinates by multiplication by 2. This is just a little test, and I'm getting what I expected. Now, the solution to my problem was right here. Remember, we're doing tile map math, we're doing things in discrete mathematics, and I needed to take that into account. Now, usually, the artifacting from things not going in evenly, right, things not being evenly divided by 9, is not a big problem. There's just slight artifacting. It's no big deal for a client-side facing shader, right? It's a shader for my level designer. God damn it, I better fucking speed the fuck up here. Anyways, when we start to remap the coordinates, shit gets out of hand if we don't account for the rounding errors. So we've got this out-of-bound variable where we're going to divide by 9 and multiply by 9 to get the actual out-of-bound thing so that we can do some corrections. So if the discrete internal local is greater than or equal to this out-of-bound value, we're going to make the discrete internal local equal to out-of-bounds minus 1. This is the fucking fix. This was the solution to all my fucking problems. Okay, so right down here, we're going to return the discrete internal local that's been remapped, that's been warped. And then down here in ArtGirl shader strings, within shader number 8, which is the bombs for Josh shader, an art tool includes, if the glass panel warping feature is on, we rename these, right? It's Dil Warp 9 rather than Dil Warp 9. And let's look where we're using this. So inside of the window render code in this I can see the future section, when GPW feature is turned on, we just rename this, right? It's DI9 warp instead of Dil Warp right here, and then DI9 warp right here, DI9 warp right here, DI9 warp right here, DI9 warp. We're just renaming shit. That's what we're doing. Okay, and then in the warp drive Scotty section, same thing, right? DI9 warp rather than Dil Warp. That's all we're doing. Okay, so here's what we did previously, and then we got footnotes and stuff, and like and subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on the advanced playlist, and my name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game from scratch, and I am documenting every single line of code and open sourcing the code. Like, subscribe, follow.